So I'm just in the greenhouse, and these amazing flowers are opening right now. Very beautiful, and during the daytime this one will look even better. I know the flower already, and it's absolutely mesmerizing. Really awesome plant. This is a grafted Lubivia trichocereus hybrid. And yeah, this is a very valuable plant for breeding. Like, I have great plans with it, and I will collect all the pollen that I can get. Absolutely awesome for breeding. I love it, and can't wait to show the daylight videos and photos tomorrow.